have to check and see if this is the 5th year of the red edition cars. So that's pretty cool. All 3 of them have red 5 in there in the tempo somewhere. That's pretty neat. Everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we got some variations, color swings, and we have the Target Red Edition. So let's get to them. All right, we'll do them first. Our buddy Brent brought these over. Ended up finding these. I don't know where he went, man. He was somewhere way out in Syracuse. So thanks, Brent. I always love it when you bring me stuff, buddy. This is the Toyota off-road truck, and of course, they do say Red Edition on the side of the card. So that's one good way to look for them when you're at your Target store. This is done in white enamel, has a dark red and yellow and black and white tampo on the side. And I just noticed that in the tampo on the side here, it says RED with a 5 in it. It said it's white inside the red panel. I don't know if that has anything to do with it being a red edition or not. So just happened to notice it. Got Holly decal on the hood. Another dark red and black and white for the tampos. Has a black plastic base, which I'm sure goes along with the spare tire in the back and the interior and the roll cage and all that. Got a big Nerf bar on the front. And the wheels are yellow painted beadlocks. The tires are brown off-road knobby jobbies there, you know. So there it is. This is number 1 of 12 of the 2021 Target Red Edition cars. Number 2 in the series is the Triumph TR6. That is done in black enamel, gloss black. Has red and white tampos on the hood with some stripes. Same thing on the sides. Got red and white outline 54 and red stripes, pinstripes. Got looks like IC or LC on the side in white. There are, oh, look at that. And in the quarter panel, there is a red RED with a 5, just like the one in the on the Toyota off-road truck. So that's definitely something in there. Means something. I got to find out what that means. Interior is a charcoal gray, dark charcoal gray, and along with the roll bar on the back. The base is a very dark charcoal plastic base. Wheels are blacked out Steelies, small ones all the way around with a red chrome ring on them. Pretty cool looking car. And number 3 of the Target Red Edition cars is the 32 Ford, and it has the Uno logo on it. Has number 1 on the side with some white stripes. Has a yellow and black Uno logo on the side, along with on the trunk lid. Oh yeah, look at that. Right there above the Uno tampo, it says Red 5 in white. So it is definitely Red 5 is something. Maybe it's the I'll have to check and see if this is the 5th year of the Red Edition cars. So that's pretty cool. All 3 of them have Red 5 in there in the tempo somewhere. That's pretty neat. Engine and front grille, radiator is chrome. Interior is chrome. Windows are lightly tinted. Base is black plastic. And the wheels are the classic 5-spokes. You know, from the Classics series. They are blacked out Classics 5-spokes. Bigger ones in the back, little ones in the front, with a white ring around them. And there you go. These are the Target Red Edition cars, 1, 2, and 3 for 2021. All right, we're going to get to some color swings. This is the 2006 Pontiac GTO. Now, these are both American cards, U.S. release cards from the D case. And the top one, as you can see, is light. What is that? That looks like a candy orange or a metallic orange. And the bottom one is much, much darker. Looks like it's going towards the brown end of the color. All right, so keep your eye out for those. Our Walmart had a whole bunch of the D case. So look through there, see what you can find, if you can find these. All right. Buddy Brent, when he was out there in Syracuse at the Target. Now, you know, sometimes only one store will have, I don't know why, but only one store will have a variation. I have not seen this variation yet anywhere else, but Brent found this at the Target. And I told you when it first came out, the 68 Mustang, when it had the frosted windows. This one has clear windows, all right? So the 68 Mustang with the flat black and the orange plastic base has clear windows and frosted windows that you can't see through. And why they did that, why they did the frosted window is because there is no interior in this thing. All you can see is a chrome rear window. Inside the rear window, it's chrome. And on the floor is just the orange plastic. All right, so keep an eye out for the clear window and the frosted window. All right, next one up, I found at Walmart, and I'm going to say that this is the D case, and this is the D case also, but this is the U.S. release, and this is the international release. The international release is usually it's the international release that has all the hands up on the Loopster, but this one is the international release with everybody's hands where they belong, inside the car. All right, this is the D case release of the Loopster, and they have one guy in the back with both his hands up in the air. All right. So we have hands where they belong and hands in the air. And there you go. So there is our Target Red Edition cars, our clear and frosted window from the Mustang, our light and dark Pontiac GTO, and our hands up, arms down Loopster from our D case. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Always appreciate when you guys stop by. If you have anything that is different than these, please write it in the comment. If not, get out there and start looking for them. All right? So please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And please, of course, be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, hope to see you guys soon. All right? Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.